Have you ever seen a plant so simple yet so mysterious that people believe it can actually attract wealth, harmony, and abundance into your home? This is the story of the Chinese money plant, a plant wrapped in legends, Feng Shui secrets, and hidden symbolism. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you will not only know the true meaning of this plant but also how to use it to invite prosperity into your life. Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am Priya Srivatsa. In today's Feng Shui series, we will discover more about Chinese money plant. Watch till the end to not miss out actual facts about this plant. The Chinese money plant is also called Pilea Peperomioides. Comes from the misty mountains of Yunnan, China. Legend says that traveling monks and traders carried it across the Asia and later into Europe. Not just because it looked beautiful, but because they believed it brought luck and wealth into their life. Its round coin-shaped leaves instantly caught people's imagination. To many, each leaf was like a small coin, a living symbol of fortune growing right inside their home. In Feng Shui, nothing is random. Every shape, every color, and every placement has a meaning. The money plant's round leaves represent coins, wealth. Its evergreen growth symbolizes continuous prosperity, and the vibrant green color connects with life energy or qi. Feng Shui masters say place it in the southeast corner of your home, the wealth corner, and it will attract abundance. But beware, if placed in the wrong area like the bedroom or the bathroom, its energy weakens and it may even block your prosperity. So, how you can use the Chinese money plant to truly invite wealth? Place it in the southeast or east direction for abundance and growth. Keep it in your living room or office where money matters flow. Avoid dark corners or cluttered areas. It needs light and positivity. And here is a beautiful tradition, giving this plant as a gift. In Feng Shui, when you give a money plant, you are blessing someone with prosperity, harmony, and good fortune. Imagine a gift that keeps growing. But beyond wealth, this plant carries a deeper spiritual meaning. The round leaves remind us of unity and wholeness, that money and success are connected to harmony in life. Its evergreen nature whispers the promise of endless renewal, a reminder that abundance is not just one-time event, but a continuous cycle. And the care you give this plant is a reflection of energy you invest in your own life. Nurture it and it nurtures you back. Of course, prosperity flows better when your plant is healthy. So, here are a few simple taking care tips of this plant. Give it a bright indirect light. Water it when the topsoil feels dry. Don't overwater it. Rotate it now and then so it grows evenly. And yes, wipe its leaves occasionally because a shining leaf attracts shining opportunities. As your plant flourishes, you will notice how it mirrors your own financial and emotional growth. What is the difference between ancient beliefs and modern science? Now, here is the fascinating part. Ancient traditions tell us that this plant holds wealth energy. Modern science, however, tells it also purifies the air, increases the oxygen, and creates a calming atmosphere. So, whether you believe in Feng Shui or biology, either the way, the Chinese money plant improves your life. And that is the real secret of the Chinese money plant. It is not just about money, it's about energy, positivity, and the belief that prosperity is something that you can nurture. So, will you welcome this plant into your home? If you find this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more secrets of Feng Shui and spiritual living. Because sometimes the biggest treasures are hidden in the smallest leaves. Comment below from which country you are watching. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.